This might be by far the dumbest thing that I'm gonna try today. I am going to cook a steak in the toaster. Really not sure how to season a steak. I don't really cook steak, my husband does, but I'm just gonna do salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Can't go wrong with garlic. I'm gonna flip it over, do the same. All right, now we're gonna put that bitch in the toaster. I don't know how long to leave it in there for. 5 minutes. I'll be back. All right, let's try it. Looks pretty cooked, medium well. Pretty damn tender. I don't need my husband to cook no damn steak anymore. That's gonna be my steak toaster. I put it in for 20 minutes. I did 4 times for 5. I could have done 15. It's good.